Imagine turning thousands of rows of boring Excel data into a powerful dashboards like this in just few minutes. The question is, what exactly the Power BI is and why is everyone learning it in Hello Ignite? The zero. Let's be honest. Most companies today have massive amounts of data, sales data, customer data, and so the business needs a way to convert raw data into insights. That's where the Power BI comes in. In simple way, Power BI converts raw data into meaningful insights. Example, let's say you own a pizza business. Every day you collect data like orders, revenue, best Power BI. With Power BI, we show you how Power BI dashboards looks. I will show you how to do step by step.